today's video, obviously I got ready and my eyeshadow been looking cute. And yeah, so I was a little hesitant to post this video on like this eyeshadow color and like the way I did it was because I don't know, I was just like, it's cute, but I already did like a bunch of like pink eyeshadows, like I don't want to post it. But I did like I don't even think it was a poll, I don't really remember. I just remember I posted it on Instagram and I posted on my story and I asked, I asked my followers like, oh, do you guys want me to post a video about it? And a lot of people said yes, so I'm here posting it. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get to it. Okay, so I look like a mess. I already did one side of my eye. Yeah, it looks a little crazy, but it's okay because I'm gonna put some foundation on and I'm gonna clean that right up. But excuse my hair, just showered. But yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm just putting on some concealer for a base. I'm using Tarte. And you don't have to use Tarte. You can use like any type of concealer, but you don't even have to use it. I like to use concealer or like a eye primer on my eyes because I feel like the colors come out more pigmented, and not only that, but my eyelids are really oily, so that's another reason why. It's because my eyelids are really oily and I get like that oil crease, like it's disgusting. Anyways, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna use just a basic blending brush. Mine still has excess, whatever. Mine still has excess from when I was, using it for the side. I don't want it to crease, so I'm just doing that. So I'm just gonna like dab it a little bit because I don't want it to crease, because when I tell you I have greasy eyelids, it's creasing already. Like, I already know. So you don't have to do that. So I'm gonna use like a nude. I'm using this nudish color from one of the Morphe palettes. This one is 35V. And you don't have to use Morphe, you can use any type of, eyeshadow palette. This is just happened to be the one that I have. And I'm just gonna blend it everywhere so I have a base. Now that you have your base nude on, I'm gonna go in with one of the Morphe palettes. This one is 35M, and like I said, you don't have to use Morphe. You can use any type of eyeshadow color or eyeshadow palette. You can use any type of eyeshadow palette as long as there's like different colors or shades of pinks. Like, you can always use those. So I'm gonna use one of the lightest shades that I have, but for this palette, I'm gonna be using this one. So when I apply the eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying it around this area. I'm applying it everywhere, okay? And I like to go little by little because if I put a bunch in one spot and like it doesn't blend out very well, it's kind of hard to smoothen it out. So that's why I'm applying little by little to just, blend it out smoothly. Okay, now that's good. I'm gonna go in with like this tiny brush, and I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35M, and just to let you know, I'm gonna be bouncing back and forth from the two palettes that I have from Morphe. So I just used this one, now I'm gonna use this one. So again, I'm just like creating a line right here, just so I can have some dimension. So once you've applied on the amount that you want, I'm gonna go back with my fluffy brush, just a blending brush, and I went back with a lighter shade of pink, and I'm just gonna start blending it out. So once I blended it to where I wanted it to be, so I'm gonna go in this like inner corner of my eye, and I'm gonna go in with a more compact brush where like instead of blending it out, I'm just like applying it. And I'm gonna go with the Morphe 35V, and I'm gonna be using this color. Oops, I'm gonna be using this color. Now when I'm applying it, I'm just like dabbling into it. So I'm just gonna continue and just apply it, kind of blend it out, but just making sure that I'm keeping the dark color into this corner eye. And honestly, you don't even have to change colors. I only did because I just felt like it. But the color that you used on this inner corner, or on this, you know, lining right here, you can use that same shade if you don't have Morphe, or if you have Morphe, you can just honestly use that color. I just changed the color because why not? And they're so similar, so you kind of can't even tell. So once you've darkened it to where you want it to be, I'm gonna do the cut crease, and I'm gonna do that really quick. Okay, so now that I've done my cut crease, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35V, and I'm gonna be using this little shiny color. And I'm gonna put it in my inner corner right there. Oh, and I'm using like a smaller brush to apply it. And when you apply it, you should probably like just dab it, and don't like pull it, because you might smear the concealer or whatever you're using, you know, and it'll look like weird, like it'll leave like a little, you know, it'll look weird. Just don't do it. And then you can go slowly and like slowly pull it on the creases, like where the crease is, because like you want it to be like notched, like you want to be sharp. And if it's not, it's totally fine. Like it's gonna look good regardless. Now that I'm done with that color, I'm gonna go in with the 35M Morphe palette, and I'm gonna be using this Shimmer Baby. And I'm gonna be applying it at the middle of my eyelid. So again, you can dab it just so you don't like move the concealer. Then you can start pulling it, because you'll see the pigmentation. And this looks so good. It's looking pretty good. And you don't want to get too close to this part, because you don't want to mess with that. Not yet. So like right here, it's going at an angle. It's not like directly straight. As you can see, like right here, it's like a V. And right here, I'm trying to make that motion, but I haven't blended it yet, obviously. But just a reminder, like when you're applying it, keep that in mind, that we're doing like a V like shape type of ordeal. Okay, so I'm gonna go back with this brush again, and I'm gonna go back with the 35B, and I'm gonna go back with this darker shade, which is the same color that we went on this outer corner, like that. So I'm gonna use that same color. So when I'm applying it, again, I'm just doing the same thing and just getting it in there. And you can kind of blend it out. See how good that looks. I haven't even blended it out all the way yet. My God, my hair is so frizzy. It's ugly. Anyways, blend it out. Do your thing. And try not to blend it up too much here, because then you're gonna make it darker. And we want it to make it look like an ombre, like how it's lighter shaded pink than darker, you know? So don't go too high. And you can make it as dark as you want. I'm kind of going a little darker than I did in my Instagram photo, but I like it like this more, kind of, I feel like. And don't make fun of my faces, because I'm like, I make funny faces when I do makeup, okay? I feel like every girl does that. Like when you be putting on mascara, you'd be like, yeah, I know you do it. I know you do it. Okay, now that I've put on enough, because I've kind of a little too much, but it's okay. I'm gonna go back with the original brush that I used in the beginning for the outer blend, and I'm gonna go back with it. I'm not gonna put anything on it. I'm not gonna put it in any eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use whatever I had left over, and I'm just gonna blend it out, okay? Because if we put too much color on here, it's gonna start looking like that girl. Just too much, too much. Once I've blended this part out, I'm gonna go back and blend this because I totally forgot about it. So I'm gonna go back with my small brush. I'm gonna go back to that super shiny, like whiter color, because when I blend it out, she gonna be harsh because she's bright as heck. So you know what? I'm kind of gonna bring her around, like above the pink. Yeah, I'm gonna do it on the other side too, because I didn't do that on the other side. And I kind of like how I did that. So I'm gonna do it to the other side too. And we're done for this part. So I'm gonna go put on some foundation, some lashes, and I'm gonna tell you what to do next. Because in the Instagram photo, I also put a white eyeliner on the bottom. So I'll be right back. Sis, why does this look good? I'm in my makeup like a full face, like wings be flashing, full face, like foundation, highlight, everything, lipstick. I haven't put this on, like this much makeup in like, I don't know, like a long time. Like I don't even recognize myself. Like I would, like, I'm looking good. I don't even know I could transform into this. Okay, I messed around too much, sorry. Anyways, back to the video. I look basically done, but it's not it, okay? Couple things. I haven't put mascara on the bottom yet because we're gonna put white eyeliner on the bottom. So that's next. White eyeliner, check. So I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. I'm gonna try to do it like looking. I should have probably put eyeshadow first. It's okay. We'll put it on again or something. Next eye. Okay, now that we put eyeliner on bottom, the white kind. And if you don't have white eyeliner, it's all good. I mean, it still looks good without white eyeliner. It's just, I like a little different. It's messing up my video. Rude. So, doesn't matter what brush. I'm gonna use this one because all my other brushes are kind of dirty. So I'm gonna use this one. And I don't recommend this size of a brush, like a blending brush, because you're gonna stab your eye out. But I like stabbing my eye out, so I'm gonna do it. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow color that we use like up here. And I'm gonna blend it underneath, okay? And I'm kind of pinching it so I don't stab my eye out. So it's like this. And I'm gonna stop like right here. Like if you look straight, I'm gonna stop right here, like where my black eye. It looks like it's black, but it's not. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Then with my little itty bitty brush, can you see that? How about that? Oh, let's not show that. How about that? Can you see that? Yeah, my little itty brush. I'm gonna go in with the color that we used right here, this darker shade, and we're gonna put it closest to our waterline. And go very light-handed because this can get pretty like pigmented. And do it to the other side. And just blending it out a little bit. And that's kind of it. Okay, now that I'm done with the bottom eyeshadow, I'm just gonna put mascara on and we're done. Ooh, that's ugly. Try not to get your waterline because there's white eyeliner. I'm gonna talk so loud. My God. He's ruining my video right now. This is the part that I'm talking about, ladies. Y'all know you be doing it. You know you do it. I think we already went over and beyond with this look. Because let me just say, I didn't even recognize myself. I just found it. Because I don't want to like sneeze or something and then like I get black all on my eyes, you know, and I just ruined the whole look and I just like wasted 3 hours of my life. Just kidding, it doesn't take 3 hours. Well, thank you for watching this video and I hope you liked it because I didn't even recognize myself. Like, can you tell? This is me. With this quarantine, I never put makeup on. And now that I put makeup on, I don't even recognize myself. I don't want to take this off. And it's like 6 in the afternoon right now. And when I'm recording this, like it's 6 in the afternoon. And I don't want to take this off. I kind of want to sleep with it on, but I don't. Because we're going to break out. Because we already are. Anyways, I'm going to tell you about all my problems. That could be for another video. But like I was saying, thank you for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you did this tutorial, like you went along with it and you did the eyeshadow look, and if it came out pretty good, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below saying, hey, I tried it out, you know, send me a picture or like tag me in the pic and let me know how you enjoyed it, or let me know like how the look came out, what you liked about it. If you changed it up and you did your own spin on it, like with different colors or something, let me know. Like, I want to know because I'm pretty sure it came out pretty good. And do you guys notice my shirt? This is my new favorite shirt. I made it. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check my last video because it's really looking cute. Just saying. Anyways, thank you for watching my video and hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.